What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. Today's another one of these days that end in Y, so you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and I'm out here back on Lake Oconee. It's one of these cold mornings. We just had a cold front that come through, knocked us from the 70s down into the 30s. But I wanted to drop this video. I'm not sure how long this video is gonna be, but I wanted to show you a couple of things. One, these are the fish that I have already caught this morning. There are 3 big Shirleys down here in my live well. Why am I showing you these now? I'm showing you these now because it is that time of season where on Facebook and on these Garmin forums, you'll see people talking about, oh, my live scope is this, that, and the other. Why can't I get rid of this on my live scope? Well, it's the pollen season. That's why I have on this face mask. It's the pollen season, and nothing is wrong with your live scope. It's the pollen that's in the water. Let's take a look at what this looks like. Now, y'all know, most of the time my live scope screen is clean. But and I've even turned my gain up. I normally keep my gain at about 70, 71, 68, somewhere around there. So when I turn it down like that, you can see those beams right there. You can even see there are some fish in there. I'm gonna go out and try and catch some of these fish. But the problem's going to be when you are pitching your jig into this pollen infested water, you're not going to see your jig a lot. So what you have to do is, if you are good at casting and your casting accuracy is fine, then what you will do is you're going to see the fish react. When you see that fish react and you feel that little tug, now they thumping today, so I feel a little bit of a thump when they react, but you'll see that fish react. That's when you know he's coming at your bait, because you will not see your jig with a high amount of pollen in that water. So let's see if I can catch another one. Let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. Yeah, see, I am not seeing my bait hit the water or anything. That's why I turned my gain up. But I know I'm halfway decent at casting. So when I get a good cast, I time it. When I fall where I think I'm at around that fish, it strikes on, and then I start coming back. So I want to turn my gain up, so maybe I'll see my splash. There you go, I saw my splash, and I'm dropping right down on that fish head. She did not move, so I'm gonna do it again. So turning that gain up, I can see my splash, but I am not seeing my bait. My splash just out there. On that fish head, she is not moving, so I might leave this one alone. So there were a couple times when I dropped on her head again, she did not move. So it might not be a bad idea to move on to the next fish. But that was a decent fish. If I could really just get her in. Let's see my fall. So I'm gonna hit water, so I'm gonna splash. All right, we're gonna go to the next fish. There we go, that's one. It reacted. Saw that reaction. I hope I got it on scope. Didn't see my bait, but I did see that fish react. Real skinny, shallow shadow that he moved. So, or she moved. That was I don't know, that'd be female. But she moved and she got caught. There we go, she reacted. another good example. Is this a hybrid or crappie? That's one of them hybrids. White rather, whites. One of these. But the example's the same. You see the fish react, and you'll feel it when they hit. Excuse me. I don't think I'm gonna keep this one today. Come on out here now, get. That was Crappie. Couple more out there too. I ain't gonna throw you back there yet. There she goes. That's another one that reacted. Decent fish too. So, again, this pollen in the water makes it difficult to see your jig. You really have to, I mean, you might see it, but you just got to know what you're looking for. Real faint, but it's tougher to see your jig in this kind of water. Ooh, almost missed that one. Almost missed that one. I had to back up on her. Ooh, come here, girl. Come here, girl. That's 3 of those 4. This is 3 or 4 fish that I saw in a school that I done picked off individually. Whew. Let me go put them back in my live well because they all gone now. Oh, you run. Oh, I was dropping down to 2 other fish and he was still chasing me and he hit me. Ah! I didn't see him chasing me, but I saw 2 other fish and I was dropping down to them and that's when he hit me. Got away with it too. That's all right. That's all right. That's okay. Ooh, that's a good fish. That's a good crappie. Come on, baby. Come on, fight me. Come on, baby. Fight me. Oh, you thirsty too. Top of the roof. Roof of the mouth. She ain't going nowhere. She ain't going nowhere. That's another big Shirley. That's all I've been catching, big Shirleys today. I ain't called them out, but they big Shirleys. One of them bit. One of them bit. Nah. She ain't nothing like the other ones I caught. Throw your own back. One go back. Ooh, that joker started up at me. Like a hybrid. Or why? This must be one of them whites. This can't be Crappie. Come on, show me what you are. What is you? Yep, I thought you were. Come up like a torpedo. Like one of them whites do. Let's see if Daddy wants to keep him. Hold on to you for now. Put her in live well. Alright folks, let's take a look at this live well. I got probably about 10 fish in here. Maybe a cool dozen. Let me get a couple of these Shirleys out for you. I got about 10 fish right here, 10 good quality fish. So folks, I did a little bit more recording than I had anticipated doing, just because I knew my live scope was going to be full of pollen. Don't forget folks, these things here, they don't worry about pollen, so you don't worry about that pollen either. If you can't see a jig on live scope this time of year, don't panic. It's just the pollen that's in the water. So go out and catch them anyway, because they don't care. As always folks, I'm gonna thank you all for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves those comments, and everybody who hits that like button. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you, yeah, you, just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you'll get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil. Wait a minute, let me get another one. Let me do it this way. This is better. Catching more of these evil, but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out. Don't let the pollen scare you.